No. So you have to create another file. Patch data, patch test data. Next file is single booking. Single booking.json. What else we have? Token data.json. We have token data.json. So this token data you have already in the RESTful Booker. So while creating a token, you are using this one. So the same thing you are using here also. Username, password, you need to provide. I'm supplying from the file. And then last one, update booking. Update booking. Okay. So these are all the resources. So now we need to go further. So utils, let's have utils. So we have a simple JSON path validator. So one file. So that I'm going to create JSON path validator. Right click, Java class. So just to give. So .java not required. By default, you will get it. So what this will do, if you want to validate any JSON data, you can use this JSON validator. So you can validate a list. You can validate a single get JSON response as a string. You can read the data from response, and you can read a list of data. You can read list of maps. So like that, we have multiple methods, reusable methods we developed. To just know response once we get, right? That response to read, this class is used. So just go through the all Java concepts. But so this get JSON response dot get body as a string. So it will give you in the string format. So the same method I'm using here as a string. I'm passing a response for that, and it will give you the JSON format. Then JSON path dot read method is there. For that, you have to pass this JSON response and JSON path. So automatically it will read the data and returns. So what are the type you want? So same read list. So list of data if you want to read, you can read and it will give you the collection. So it will give you the list. So this read list method will give you the list of no types. So that is the another one. So that is one. So let's go here. Poses. Poses is the is nothing but a in the booking request. What are all the fields are there? And you have a first name, last name, right? That's you're creating as a variables and creating a setter and getter methods. That's what this booking.java poses means plain old Java objects. That's what poses means. See, can you see here all the booking request fields, string first name, string last name. So into total price, Boolean deposit paid, string additional needs, and get booking dates. So booking dates, set booking dates. So another one, booking dates is the another one. So that is the, so all setter and getter methods we created. So see these setter and getter methods we created. So this is the constructor. In that constructor, you are calling the setters for setting the data for that. So that's a POJOS means. So create this POJOS class. So that why you need a POJOS class is you can pass the data. So you can pass the data through these POJOS classes. So all variables you can declare and you can just so booking dates is the another. Okay, it is looking for booking dates class. So we are creating. Yeah. So now the issue is solved. So now we have to create a suite file. The suite file is only one suite file, right? testng.xml suite file. So let's create all these suite files also. So I'll just, so you have a suits under suits testng.xml file. This is the file. Oh, I created a Java class. It should not be a Java class. It should be a class. It should be a file. So let me delete that. Now you need to create a file, not class testng.xml file. And then I'll just copy paste this entire file. So these files we haven't created yet, right? We'll create them one by one. So first get booking IDs test. Let's create this. So get booking IDs. is a class. So what it will do, it will it will fetch all the booking IDs. It will fetch all the booking IDs. Let me show you that. So we have already practiced that. So RESTful. Okay. See, get booking IDs. This is the one I am automating now. So this is the one we are automating. So this one we need to automate, right? So let's go here. What we have done. So we are going to get booking IDs. So you can see here, we are using a before method and test method, and we are going to use, so in the before method, we have a, so rest assured class, we have a base URI method, base URI variable, which represent the, so you can give your rest endpoint URL. So this is the base URL, right? This base URL we have specified. That's what base URI means. So base URI means that is what. And in the test case, um, so it returns rest assured dot given. So given means the preconditional steps, like a no request body, content type dot JSON dot when. So the dot get. So when means, so action methods, and the method is a get method you are using. You are requesting a get method. Then means once you request a get method, so then you will get the status code 200 and the status line HTTP 1.1 200. Okay. Extract the response and store in this response object. So then asset true response dot get body as a string contains booking ID. So when you request, you will get all the booking IDs, right? That is what you are doing. Same way. So second test case, get booking by ID. So get booking by ID. You have to get the booking by ID. So that booking ID, so this you're getting booking by ID. So you're passing, see rest assured dot given. So dot content type dot JSON when get booking. So one, so we can give one or two. Then, so there's a booking ID. One is a booking ID. I said that. So you are getting a status code dot. All this is dot. So you have to get this booking ID and you are getting the status code 200 and extract the response and you are storing in this response. So once you response body data, if you want to print response that pretty print, you can print that details will be printed. So this is the one simple uh, code you can. So this one is not there. When we execute manually, we have seen. So you can give two. So you will get, and it will be printed. You can execute now this one. See this, if you execute, run get booking IDs. So it will print your data also. Okay, so that's you can see here. Error opening zip file for jar manifest. Okay, so we can remove this completely. We don't need that. So go to form.xml. That we can remove. We don't need aspect jar chase. This we don't need. So let's go to whatever we need that aspect. So save it. Now you run the test case, right? Get booking. Still it is. We have removed aspect chase. Aspect chase here. This is also we don't need. In this. Yeah. So still it is loading. We have to make sure to complete that. Then now we are good. Build is successful. Now you can see it is running. Okay. You can see on the top also it is running mode. Yes, sir. Yeah, both are passed. You can see. So response body data, you got it for the second booking ID. Okay, like that you can print the entire data. Okay, so this is the entire,
Yes, sir.
both the test cases are passed. So that's it, and tomorrow we'll see the rest of the test case. Okay, so next,
Okay, sir.
post, put, patch, and delete. Okay, so tomorrow we can, mostly tomorrow we can close this API testing. Then we'll see BD, Cucumber, those things.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, but you write, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you write only, we'll get the things. So,
Yes. Yes.
uh,
Thank you, sir.
thank you. Bye.
Sir, sir,